lawsuit accuses Bryan Singer of sexual assault. Director categorically denies allegations. Bryan Singer made headlines last week when he was fired as director of the Queen biopic Bohemian Rhapsody, and now he's back in the spotlight as the defendant in a new lawsuit that accuses him of raping a minor. According to Variety, the alleged victim is Cesar Sanchez-Guzman, who filed the suit Thursday in state court in Seattle, alleging that the X-Men director forced him into sex acts while on a yacht in Seattle back in 2003. Sanchez-Guzman was 17 at the time. The lawsuit alleges that Singer forced Sanchez-Guzman to perform oral sex on him, and then forcibly performed oral sex on the plaintiff before anally penetrating him, despite the boy's cries for him to stop. In the suit, Sanchez-Guzman alleges that Singer told him he was a movie producer and could help him break into acting if he kept his mouth shut about what took place. Related, replacement director named after Bryan Singer fired from Queen biopic amidst rumors of on-set chaos. He then told Cesar that no one would believe him if he ever reported the incident, and that he could hire people who are capable of ruining someone's reputation, states the lawsuit, which also alleges that the yacht was owned by Lester Waters, a wealthy tech investor who frequently hosted parties for young gay males in the Seattle area. The lawsuit bears similarities to previous suits that have been filed against Singer, all of which were subsequently dropped, and all of which were filed by the same attorney who currently represents Sanchez-Guzman. That attorney, Miami-based Jeffrey Herman, represented accuser Michael Egan in his 2014 suit against Singer, which also named former NBC Entertainment president Garth Ainsworth and former Disney executive David Newman, in which Singer was accused of sexually assaulting teenage boys ranging in age from 15 to 17. Related, Freddie Mercury film production halted due to director Bryan Singer's personal health matter. At the time, Singer blasted the allegations in Egan's lawsuit as outrageous, vicious and completely false. Egan subsequently dropped the suit, and issued apologies to Ainsworth and Newman, admitting that the allegations set forth in the suit were untrue and provably false. As Wire notes, Herman specializes in representing victims in sex abuse cases. Past lawsuits involved former Elmo puppeteer Kevin Clash. That suit was withdrawn due to exceeding the statute of limitations, New York financier Jeffrey Epstein, and multiple cases against the Catholic Archdiocese of Miami, with one case resulting in a $100 million verdict against a priest. Following the lawsuit's filing, Singer's attorney has released a statement in which the director categorically denies the allegations, promising to vehemently defend this lawsuit to the very end and pursue his own claims for malicious prosecution. You can read the entire statement below. Bryan categorically denies these allegations and will vehemently defend this lawsuit to the very end. Cesar Sanchez-Guzman apparently claims that he did not remember this alleged incident from 2003 until now. Significantly, when Sanchez-Guzman filed for bankruptcy only a few years ago, he failed to disclose this alleged claim when he was supposed to identify all of his assets, but conveniently, now that the bankruptcy court discharged all of his debts, he is able to recall the alleged events. The attorney behind this lawsuit is the same lawyer who represented Michael Egan, the convicted felon who sued Bryan Singer in 2014. In the end, Egan was forced to dismiss that case once the facts came out and his story completely fell apart. Egan and his attorneys then found themselves as defendants in a malicious prosecution action brought by some of the individuals who Egan previously sued. In an apology to those individuals, Egan's attorney acknowledged the claims that had been filed were untrue and provably false. Notwithstanding his track record, this same lawyer is coming after Bryan again. We are confident that this case will turn out the same way the Egan case did. And once Bryan prevails, he will pursue his own claims for malicious prosecution.